Welcome to the Wildcat 247RKX. All right, inside the 247RKX, amazing for 2 people, 4 people, even 6 people in this small Wildcat. Huge back kitchen, windows every place. 7-foot tall ceilings allow us to put extra tall cabinets in, complete with a shelf. The big window, nice big stainless steel sink, real metal faucets, 21-inch oven, even has a cast iron cooktop. 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge, gives you plenty of space to put all your food. So new in the 247 is the party lounge. This is amazing. We've taken a jackknife sofa, made it to a dinette cushion, allows you to sit down at a table, even move the table to go ahead and get in and out. Table hides away, and this turns into a nice big extra bed to sleep on. Some places to kick back, chill, watch a movie. This is awesome. Most popular in the Wildcat 247 is the theater seats with power massage and LED lights. At the foot of our party lounge sofa, 50-inch LED TV. This is HD. This got USB, HDMI ports. What's cool about this TV? This TV is now a television as well as your FM receiver and Bluetooth stereo. So soundbar speakers, what you can do now, one of you can be sitting inside watching a movie, someone else can be outside listening to the FM radio or Bluetooth, Pandora music, iTunes, all through the same device because this is a 2-channel system. So very cool, awesome idea to have. Fireplace, come down the hallway, all Wildcats are prepped for solar. We have an option now, 190 watt solar panel up on top, 30 amp controller. That 30 amp controller is expandable to 460 watts. So you can run the entire unit just off a solar and a couple of deep cycle batteries. Huge bathroom, big walk-in 30-inch shower, porcelain foot flush toilet, big sink, dual overhead door medicine cabinet, complete with a 3-speed fantastic fan. Down the hallway into the master suite, we have the Maxx King bed. The Maxx King bed is a full 80 inches long, 66 inches wide, so it's 6 inches wider than a queen, but it gives you walk-around space on both sides of the bed to be able to make the bed at night and in the morning. Big overhead cabinets, double wardrobe with 2 big foot locker drawers, even storage underneath the bed when you lift that up. Nightstands with USB and 110 outlets to be able to plug in CPAPs, cell phones, and night lights. All Wildcats come standard with a full ABS cap, as well as a front windshield, automotive style windshield. What's neat about the Wildcats, 7-foot tall inside ceiling height allows you to have a massive outside storage compartment. You can put a full-size generator in the outside storage compartment, and we didn't sacrifice any ground clearance to get there. So 1-inch slam latch baggage doors, just like a motorhome would have. All tinted windows. One of the neatest things are the JT Strong Arm jacks. JT Strong Arms are the best stabilizing system in the industry. We know that there's automatic leveling systems, but all those do is level the trailer automatically. They don't stabilize anything. So by using these JT Strong Arms, all you have to do is give these a half a turn, lock them in place, and this thing doesn't move once you're walking around inside. Electric awning, LED lights, outside speakers, outside cooktop with the griddle, so you can make bacon out here. You can do pancakes, eggs, a steak, hamburgers, all of it on the griddle cooktop. E-range tires, even the solid entry step makes it so the trailer does not shake around when you're walking up and down the steps. 30-inch entrance door, friction hinge, so you don't have to worry about this blowing around in the wind. And one of the neatest things that we've been doing in Wildcat for a long time, the central trash system. On your countertop, you're in the kitchen, hole opens up, drop your trash down the hole, empty it right outside. Thanks for taking a look at the Wildcat 247RKX. Make sure you check us out, forestriverinc.com. Check out the Wildcat.